Welcome to Gear Era, your trusted destination for in-depth automotive reviews, technology insights, and comprehensive evaluations of the latest vehicles shaping the future of mobility. Today we explore the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026, a model that extends Toyota's growing footprint in the crossover segment with a refined design, upgraded capabilities, and an enhanced driving experience tailored for modern users. The 2026 Corolla Cross brings a balanced mix of practicality, comfort, and smart innovation that aligns perfectly with the evolving preferences of drivers seeking a compact crossover that fits seamlessly into diverse lifestyles. Toyota's focus for this model revolves around delivering a smooth driving feel, enhanced durability, and an updated visual identity that appeals to both existing Toyota users and those entering the segment for the first time. The exterior of the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026 takes a confident step forward with a more athletic profile and pronounced body lines that increase its visual appeal. Toyota has focused on giving the vehicle a more sculpted and structured design that blends sharp edges with smooth aerodynamic surfaces. The front grille now carries a wider stance with distinctive LED headlamps that offer better illumination and a futuristic styling element. The bumper integrates improved airflow management, contributing to better efficiency and stability at higher speeds. The side profile features refined contours and newly designed alloy wheels that provide a strong road presence. In the rear, redesigned taillights enhance nighttime visibility while complementing the updated tailgate structure. These enhancements collectively make the Corolla Cross 2026 appear more dynamic and modern compared to its predecessor. Inside the cabin, Toyota introduces a more premium and technologically advanced environment for the Corolla Cross 2026. The interior layout emphasizes comfort, functionality, and a higher degree of refinement that elevates every passenger's experience. Soft touch materials, refined stitching, and improved seat ergonomics combine to create a relaxing atmosphere. The new infotainment display is larger, faster, and more responsive, offering seamless integration with wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and entertainment features. The digital instrument cluster provides sharper graphics and customizable viewing modes that allow drivers to personalize their information layout. Even small details such as the redesigned air vents, upgraded steering wheel controls, and broader cup holder arrangement reflect Toyota's commitment to enhancing interior usability. Rear passengers enjoy improved seating space, better visibility, and updated climate vents that provide a more balanced comfort level during longer journeys. Performance-wise, the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026 embraces a powertrain lineup that balances efficiency with responsiveness. Toyota continues to offer both gasoline and hybrid variants, with the hybrid standing out due to its improved battery performance and smoother acceleration. The hybrid system delivers better fuel economy and reduced emissions without compromising on power delivery. The suspension setup has been refined to provide a more composed and comfortable ride, absorbing bumps effectively even on uneven roads. Steering responsiveness has also been improved, giving drivers a more connected feel while maneuvering through tight streets and open highways. Noise reduction materials throughout the chassis and cabin work to reduce engine and road noise, resulting in a quieter driving environment. This combination of efficiency, comfort, and stability reinforces the Corolla Cross 2026 as a reliable companion for daily commutes and longer travel. Safety remains a core pillar of the Corolla Cross identity, and the 2026 model further strengthens this reputation with the latest enhancements to Toyota's Safety Sense. The updated package includes improved pre-collision detection, lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control with more natural braking behavior, pedestrian and cyclist recognition, and traffic sign assistance. Additional safety features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, advanced parking sensors, and a high-resolution reversing camera add layers of protection for daily driving scenarios. Toyota has also enhanced the structural rigidity of the vehicle, improving crash absorption and passenger protection across multiple impact zones. Combined with re-engineered seatbelt tension systems and improved airbag deployment algorithms, the Corolla Cross 2026 delivers a safety profile that stands strong within its category. Technology integration in the Corolla Cross 2026 focuses on elevating convenience and personalization. Keyless entry, push-start ignition, wireless charging, improved ambient lighting, and multiple USB ports enhance everyday usability. The climate control system is more responsive and capable of maintaining temperatures more consistently across different cabin zones. Toyota has also introduced an upgraded voice assistant that recognizes natural speech patterns and allows drivers to control navigation, audio, and climate functions hands-free. Enhanced connectivity features, remote vehicle monitoring through smartphone apps, and over-the-air updates further ensure that the vehicle remains technologically current over time. Practicality has always been a strength of the Corolla Cross, and the 2026 model improves on this, with more flexible cargo space, wider door openings, and improved rear seat folding mechanisms. The tailgate, available with an electronic open and close function, offers easier access for loading and unloading luggage. The seating arrangement ensures better legroom and headroom across both rows, making the vehicle suitable for families, daily travelers, and long road trips. Toyota has designed the cabin with thoughtful storage compartments, improved bottle holders, and an optimized center console to keep essentials within easy reach. These refinements enhance the daily driving experience for users who prioritize space and convenience. Fuel efficiency, especially in the hybrid model, stands out as one of the key advantages of the Corolla Cross 2026. Toyota's engineering refinements reduce engine strain, optimize electric motor support, and enhance battery cooling systems for consistent performance in varying climates. This efficiency makes the vehicle an attractive option for users looking to minimize running costs while maintaining a reliable driving experience. The improved aerodynamics and weight distribution also contribute to better fuel performance across highway and urban conditions, ensuring that users benefit from long-term savings without sacrificing capability. From a consumer perspective, the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026 positions itself as a versatile choice that meets the demands of modern lifestyles. It appeals to individuals and families seeking a vehicle that offers style, comfort, and efficiency without compromising on reliability. The upgraded interior quality, advanced safety features, intelligent connectivity, and refined performance elevate the overall driving experience. Toyota's attention to detail is evident in every update, making the Corolla Cross a refined and valuable addition to the crossover segment. Its ease of maintenance, strong resale value, and long-term durability further strengthen its appeal to buyers who prefer a dependable and practical vehicle. As Gear Era continues to bring forward detailed and accurate reviews of the automotive world, the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026 stands as a strong example of how manufacturers blend innovation with practicality. It represents a forward-looking approach to mobility in a world where efficiency, technology, and reliability hold significant value. Whether used for daily commutes, weekend trips, or family travel, the Corolla Cross 2026 delivers a balanced experience across all categories. This new iteration also underscores Toyota's long-term commitment to sustainability and user-centered design, demonstrating how thoughtful engineering can improve everyday mobility. The Corolla Cross 2026 blends practicality with a touch of elegance, offering drivers a dependable crossover that adapts easily to urban roads, highways, and mixed terrain. Its balanced combination of efficiency, comfort, and modern features strengthens its position in the competitive crossover market and ensures lasting relevance. Drivers seeking value, reliability, and contemporary styling will appreciate its well-rounded character and capability. If you enjoyed this comprehensive review and want to stay connected with more in-depth automotive insights, make sure to subscribe to Gear Era and support the channel for future content.